Hey, what's happening? This is JG with Kuryakyn, and today we're going to talk about our ISO levers for Harley-Davidson and Indian motorcycle. So chances are you've seen our ISO grips out in the wild, kind of been around for decades. You've probably seen them on a number of bikes. We wanted to make a lever that really complements that design, but also offers some function over just your standard metal levers. So we integrated some rubber inserts into our ISO levers, and what these rubber inserts do is they really do provide excellent leverage and grip for any kind of riding condition. ISO levers for Harley-Davidson are available for 14 and up touring models in chrome or gloss black, and we also offer them for 14 and up Indian big twin models, but only in chrome finish. If you have any more questions on the ISO levers, shoot us a message, hit us in the comments, or find out more at KURYAKYN.com.